Hi everyone, welcome back to my property analysis series. If you are new here, nice to meet you. I am Joy. I'm a real estate agent based in Singapore. I help my clients make the best informed decision through data analysis. So if you find today's sharing useful, please remember to subscribe to my channel because I have weekly updates for you. Today's project focus will be Amber Park's 4-bedroom unit types. I have done analysis for Amber Park's 1 to 3 bedroom in the previous episode, so please catch it if you have not. Here's a quick overview of Amber Park. Amber Park is a freehold condominium located in Marine Parade. It's a 3 minutes walk from the future Tanjong Katong MRT. It's a new launch, so it's due to TOP in 2023. The entire development consists of 592 residential units, a combination of 1+ study to 6-bedroom penthouses. I'll be analysing Amber Park's 4-bedroom based on 2 key factors. First, the layout, and second, the break-even price. So Amber Park has got 3 types of 4-bedroom layout: a typical 4-bedroom, a 4+ study, and a 4-bedroom premium which comes with a private lift. So this 4-bedroom comes in 4 different layouts. The typical 4-bedroom is at 1,572 square feet. The 4+ study is at 1,302 square feet. And the 4-bedroom premium has got 2 different sizes. As the bigger 4-bedroom premium is fully sold, we'll focus on the smaller 4-bedroom premium today. If we were to put the 3 types of 4-bedroom layout side by side for comparison, you will notice a few major differences between them. First, the typical 4-bedroom layout has got 4 good-sized bedrooms which are able to at least accommodate a queen-size bed each. Whereas for the 4+ study and 4-bedroom premium, both layouts' 4th bedroom is only able to accommodate a single bed. This itself may be a deal breaker as buyers who will purchase such unit type in the future resale market usually intend it for own stay. And having the 4th bedroom of this size is not actually favourable. If you notice, the master bedroom in the 4-bedroom premium layout is even bigger than the 4-bedroom itself. Second major difference is with the living room area. As you can see here, both the 4-bedroom and 4+ study have a living room with wide frontage as compared to the 4-bedroom premium layout. If you have seen similar comparison in real life, you are likely to have a better impression of the unit with wider frontage because such unit type will come across as more spacious and brighter. This may also translate to a higher profit margin in the resale market. And this is exactly what happened in the Palette, which is a 99-year leasehold condominium in Pasir Ris. So the Palette has 2 types of 3-bedroom. One comes with a study area and one without. The normal 3-bedroom has only one size, and that is 1,066 square feet. And for this same size, buyers have got 3 different layouts to choose from in the resale market. Type A outperformed the rest. If we look at the Palette's top 5 most profitable 3-bedroom and 3+ study transactions, 4 out of 5 of these profitable transactions are actually the 3-bedroom, which is at 1,066 square feet. And these stacks are stacks with layouts that have got wide frontage in the living room. Last but not least, the third major difference between these 3 layouts are with the usable living space. And by living space, I'm referring to the kitchen, the living room, as well as the bedrooms. So if we were to take into calculation the amount of usable living space in these 3 layouts, the 4-bedroom would be 111 square meter versus the 4-bedroom premium, which is at 103 square meter, and versus the 4+ study, which is at 85 square meter. Therefore, in terms of functionality and efficient use of space, my preference would be the typical 4-bedroom layout, which is 1,575 square feet, located on Stack 7 and Stack 17. Stack 7 faces the pool as well as the opposite block, and Stack 17 faces the condo's entrance. Based on a level-to-level comparison right now, the starting price for Stack 17 is 3.481 million, whereas the same layout and for the same size, Stack 7 is asking for 3.7 million. That is a premium of over 200,000. Therefore, given these two options, I will actually go for Stack 17. Given that Stack 17 starting price is at 3.481 million, this worked out to be about 2,200 PSF, which is very near to developers' cost price of 2,171 PSF. This leads us to the second factor, which is on developers' break-even price. So, why is developers' break-even price so important? To help you understand better, I'm going to use the Florence Residence break-even price as an example. The Florence Residence is a new launch condo located in Hougang, and its break-even price is 1,365 square feet. This means that if the developers sell below this price, they will be making a loss, and if they sell at this price, they will be breaking even. And if they sell above this price, they will be making a profit. So now we will focus on the Florence Residence 1-bedroom. From this price chart, you can tell that since the launch of Florence Residence in March 2019 to mid-2020, prices has been very stagnant. Then price increased in July 2020. So assuming you're keen to purchase a 1-bedroom here, but it's after the price increment, will you still proceed? This is one of the 1-bedroom stacks in Florence. Since it first launched until mid-2020, the same stack has increased 80,000. Then, between mid-2020 to July this year, there was another increment of 91,000 within the same stack. Therefore, my question to you is, if there is a particular unit or stack where prices have went up but not very significant, do you think it's still worthwhile for you to enter? Do you think there is actually an opportunity that you can look out for? I would definitely think so. Prices of Amber Park's 4-bedroom have not moved much since launch, and majority of the 4-bedroom units were sold at the 2,400 PSF range, which is 10% above developers' break-even. Given that there are a few units within Stack 17 that is still available for sale right now and is in the 2,200 PSF price range, which is still less than 5% increment from developers' break-even, I would believe that these units are considered good buys and definitely have an opportunity for buyers out there. Furthermore, the starting price of the 5-bedroom in Amber Park is going at 2,347 PSF, whereas the 4-bedroom is going at 2,215 PSF. In this current situation, you are buying a smaller unit at a lower PSF and is closer to developers' break-even. I do really think that there is an opportunity. However, if at the point of a purchase, you are only left with the 4+ study or the 4-bedroom premium layouts, then you might want to hunt for a 4-bedroom in the resale market instead, because having good sized bedroom is essential in this area. Such unit type is always more inclined towards own stay purpose. And so that's my analysis for Amber Park's 4-bedroom unit types. If there is a certain project you want me to review on, do leave a comment in the section below. I will see you in the next episode.